Good evening, dear student. Now we go to see the classification of microbes. Microorganisms are divided into five types. They are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, virus. Bacteria are a microscopic single-celled organism that exist in their millions in every environment. Water, soil, both inside and outside other organisms. Some bacteria have harmful but most serve as a useful purpose. Harmful means தீமை விளைவிக்கக்கூடிய bacteria. The smallest bacteria are about 0.4 micron. Nutrition: source of carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and a large number of other molecules. Nutritions. Types of bacteria: rod-shaped, cocci, spirilla, and vibrio. Fungi. Fungi is a member of group of eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeast, molds, as well as a familiar to mushroom. Fungi size 2 to 10 micron in diameter and up to several centimeters in length. Some of the fungi. Protozoa or protozoans is an organ is on a group of single-celled eukaryotes, either free-living and parasitic. Parasitic means otuni, which feed on organic matter such as other microorganisms. It sizes from 1 to 10 micron in size. Algae. Algae is a large and diverse a group of photosynthetic eukaryotic organisms. Photosynthesis ஒளிச்சேர்க்கை பண்ணுதல். They also contain chloroplast. Chloroplast means it absorbs the sunlight and produces the food material, which are structure that generate energy for the cell through photosynthesis. The size from algae 0.1 to 15 micron. Next, virus. Virus is a microscopic infection agent that replicates only inside the living cell. Replicate means உருப்பெருக்கம் அடைதல். Inside எது மூலமா உள்ளார செல்லுக்குள் நடக்குது. An organism virus infect that all types of life forms from animal and plants. Microorganism including bacteria. Characteristic of virus. Virus do not make their own food. They obtain food from animals, plants, and some bacteria. It's a parasite organism. The virus are attached are called host cell. Attachment ஒட்டிக்கொள்ளுதல். செல்லினுள் ஒட்டிக்கொள்ளுதல். It's visible under electron microscope. Size from 5 to 300 nanometers only. Some bacteria, say helical virus, polyhedral, spherical, complex. Helical tobacco mosaic virus, polyhedral means adenovirus, spherical means influenza virus, complex virus means bacteriophage. Next we go to see the five kingdom concept. The five kingdom concept were proposed by Whittaker in 1960. Proposed that organisms should be broadly divided into kingdom based on certain characteristics like structure of cell, mode of nutrition, the source of nutrition, interrelationship, body organization, and reproduction. The five stages are Monera, Protista, fungi, plant, and animal. Monera. Monera organisms are prokaryotic and unicellular. They do not have a well-defined nucleus. It means Monera do not have any nucleus and also lack of cell organelles. Example, bacteria, cyanobacteria. Protista. Protista are a unicellular but eukaryotic organism. These are the simplest forms of eukaryotes that exhibit their autotrophic. Autotrophy, it produces from the food from sunlight and other organism. Heterotrophic means this organism to use in the food from other organism made of nutrition. Example, Amoeba, Paramycium. Fungi. Fungi was variety of organs such as mushroom, yeast, and mold. It's moved from filaments called hyphae, collectively called mycelium. Fungi are multicellular mostly and eukaryotic. They are also heterotrophous and gain nutrition through absorption. Absorption means உறிஞ்சுதல். Example, yeast, mushroom, Aspergillus niger. Kingdom planet. Plants are living organisms belonging to the kingdom planet. They include familiar organisms such as tree, herbs, bushes, grasses, vines, ferns, mosses, and green algae. Green plants, sometimes called viridian plant, obtain most their energy from subtle via process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis to use the sunlight and produce food material. One like next, Animalia. Animalia is a heterotrophic eukaryotic organism that are multicellular and their cells lack of cell walls. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. அனிமல்ஸ் வந்து பிளான்ட்ஸை டைரெக்டாகவும் நம்பி வாழுது, இன்டைரக்ட் மறைமுகம் நம்பி உணவுக்காக பாடுதல். The kingdom three kingdom concept were proposed by German investigator Ernst Haeckel. Proposed the three kingdom in 1860. Animal, plant, protestia. Thank you.